HTML basics. Okay, let's go over some of the terminology very briefly. What is HTML? Well, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. That's HTML. They consist of HTML tags, and these tags are keywords that are surrounded with angled brackets, the less than sign, then the greater than sign surrounding the tag itself. And they usually come in pairs. For example, this B stands for bold. There's a opening tag of less than sign, B, greater than sign. Then the closing tag is less than with a slash, B, with a greater than sign. This is the pair of tags for bold, and anything inside of it would be bold. In this case, this is just a comment here. Sometimes those are called start tags or end tag, but I prefer to call it the opening tag and the closing tag. The opening tag and the closing tag. We'll go into this a bit more later. Then we have what we refer to as web pages. In HTML, they call it documents. When you get to using different programs for developing web pages, like Dreamweaver, they refer to them as documents. These documents contain HTML tags and plain text. So you can use a plain old text editor like Notepad or WordPad, or in our case I'm going to use a Text Wrangler, which is a free program that's for Macs. But the main thing I want you to know here is that the purpose of a web browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox or Safari or Google Chrome or any others, the purpose of the web browser is to interpret those tags so that the content will be displayed properly on the page. And that's simply it. It's all text with tags, and that browser interprets what it sees and then displays it on the page. Now notice here at the bottom of each of these pages that we're going to be looking at is a link to w3schools.com, which is a great site to go to learn about each of these pages. And the actual link here goes to the page called HTML Basics on their site. But what I'm going to add is videos that will help explain a little bit further what you will read there, or that you may choose to read there. And I'll also be having some assignments for you to do as we go along. Anyway, that's the first one of these videos, and it's on HTML Basics.